Joe here. So if you're having a routine maintenance done on your car, especially if you live in the Salt Belt and you have a vehicle that's older, this vehicle is 11 years old, and if you can look and see what the salt does to the brake lines. These ones have not ruptured yet, but they sure want to. And I don't quite understand why this manufacturer, Nissan, didn't put more of this coating on the brake lines. But it sure is a good idea to replace them before your brake pedal goes to the floor. For any of you that have experienced that, it's almost like, you know, the feeling you get when you hydroplane, and you might just end up rear-ending somebody. A friend of mine, he was at the McDonald's drive-thru and he was reaching for change in his pocket, and as he did that, he extended his leg and his brake pedal went to the floor. Luckily, it didn't happen going down the road. Anyway, when you get your oil change done, make sure that someone's looking at your car and they're going to tell you if your brake lines are in good shape or not. Until next time, have a good night. Get your brake lines checked. See ya.